How to use おかげで。
なんで？
どういうわけか。奴は俺の官房仲間だ。おかげで脱出できた。
The phrase おかげで is used to express gratitude or acknowledgement for something positive that has happened due to someone's actions. This carries a sense of appreciation, implying that the outcome was a good outcome, and you are thankful for that. This can be used mid-sentence with おかげで, but it can also be used at the end of a sentence as おかげだ or おかげです. This is because おかげ is just the noun for aid, help, or a positive influence. Then either with the conjunctive de or the declarative da or des put at the end. So おかげで is often used when giving credit for something, used for positive outcomes. So here seen translated as thanks to, or even because of or due to, being thankful for someone else's actions that led to a positive outcome.
おかげで脱出できた。
And so you can often see おかげで used at the beginning of a sentence. When it's used in this way, it's referring to what was previously stated. Like here in Pokemon, thanks to what you did, helping him out, the professor's able to understand Pokemon a little bit more.
おかげでお前たちのことがまた少し分かったぞ。
And it can also be used following verbs, nouns, and na adjectives. And this directly shows what you're appreciative of. So like here with verbs, thanks to that action. Here Frieza kind of saying a bit ironically, thanks to the fact that you killed my subordinates, I'll have to fight you myself.
なるほど。貴様もあいつの仲間か。
会ったことはない。知っているだけだ。
やれやれ。貴様が部下を殺してしまったおかげで、このフリーザ自らが働かなきゃならないよ。
When you want to express thanks to a certain noun, like often a person, you need to follow that noun with the not particle and then attach おかげで. So like in this next example, thanks to Saori-san, here used at the end of the sentence with おかげだ.
久々の大盛況だったよ。これも沙織さんのおかげだ。
いえ、メグさんとクニコさんが一緒に頑張ってくれたおかげです。
Or like here in Final Fantasy 16, it's thanks to that guy or thanks to him that I was saved. So そいつのおかげで.
お前も随分大物になったな。
そいつのおかげで助かったんだ。感謝しろよ。
Or thanks to Gran and the others. グランたちのおかげで.
噂をすればだな。
おや、カタリナさん、その様子は元に戻られたんですね。
ああ、グランたちのおかげでな。
Or again, like seen here in Pokemon, thanks to Perida-san, I can also fight together with scary Pokemon.
ペリーラさんのおかげで手強いポケモンとも戦えますね。では、ヨネさんに会いに行きましょう。
And so generally, おかげで is used to express appreciation for a positive outcome, although we did see it used a little bit ironically by Frieza. However, if you want to be very clear that you're expressing a negative outcome, and thanks to that, or due to that, in Japanese you can express that negative outcome with せいで. So this is a kind of pair piece of language. おかげで, generally used for positive outcomes, and せいで, here adding some sort of blame. So it's all because of you.
あんたのせいで死んだんだ。
お前が。
So now you know how to express appreciation in Japanese with おかげで. It can be used at the beginning of a sentence that's kind of referring what was previously said, and it can also be used directly following verbs, nouns, and na adjectives. And it's generally used to express appreciation for someone's actions that led to a positive outcome. If you want to express the opposite, you would use せいで instead. So now what I'm going to leave you with is a quick review test going over some of the examples that we saw in this video. You'll have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. You can always pause the video if you need more time, and try your best to answer each question. Even if the answer is pretty straightforward and easy, it still helps giving that reinforcement seeing these examples again. So I hope this review helps reinforce that language in your head. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you really enjoyed these videos, then consider supporting the channel and join us on the Game Gengo Discord. You can do that both through the website or through Patreon. There's a whole bunch of perks being a member. Not only can you help support the channel, you can chat directly with me in the community, get help with your Japanese any time of the day, and even vote on upcoming videos. So good luck on the review test, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See you guys.
おかげで脱出できた。
おかげでお前たちのことがまた少し分かったぞ。
やれやれ、貴様が部下を殺してしまったおかげでこのフリーザ自らが働かなきゃならないよ。
久々の大盛況だったよ。これも沙織さんのおかげだ。
いえ、メグさんと邦子さんが一緒に頑張ってくれたおかげです。
そいつのおかげで助かったんだ。感謝しろよ。
カタリナさん、その様子は元に戻られたんですね。
ああ、グランたちのおかげでな。
ペリーラさんのおかげで手強いポケモンとも戦えますね。ではヨネさんに会いに行きましょう。